Hello, everybody, and welcome to another episode of Whiteboard Wednesdays with Werner. And today we kind of looking at a little topic that somebody mentioned, and they just wanted to kind of get a view on that. So it is AI in the cloud. Is it a buzzword or is it a breakthrough? And it's kind of part of our series that we do on, kind of, debunking certain things. But yeah, is it a buzzword or is it a breakthrough? I kind of think it is a breakthrough. It's not just a buzzword anymore, although the term is absolutely overused. But when we start looking at this new wave of cloud providers that's coming out, right, or the so-called NeoClouds, this is a big change in how organizations have access to artificial intelligence type technologies and platforms in which they can build their projects and make things work. And these cloud providers are really, focusing specifically on bringing GPU accelerated infrastructure with, next generation data storage technologies to the cloud. And that is where the breakthrough lies in there, is that those technologies are typically reserved for large enterprises, who have the money to spend on that for their own on-prem services. And as they kind of start, their prototyping in hyperscale cloud, they start, spending more money there, and they see that costs are quite extraordinary. And that it's not the full picture that you have in those areas. So these new cloud providers are bringing the AI enablement context, and making it democratized. They're making it available to other organizations, or to many organizations who fall outside of the we can do things on-prem, and what the hyperscalers can deliver as a service. So yes, AI cloud, or the NeoCloud as it's also sometimes known as, is definitely a breakthrough. It is definitely scaling the way that organizations can access this transformative technology across the planet. And there's a few that's already been starting up, Middle East and Europe, obviously in the States and across Asia. And even in South Africa, there's a strong focus from some of the local boutique cloud providers to start adopting that new cloud mindset and taking that to the forefront. So maybe it was a buzzword. Now it is probably more a breakthrough, and I do think that we will be seeing a lot more in this area. And also keep a good watch on what we're doing with Oxide Cloud Services as data sciences, as we will be extending our GPU offering to start embracing a lot more of this new cloud feel to things. So thank you once again. Hope that helps as some information, and have a good time.